owner of this Tata Harrier has gotten the interiors of this car completely changed. The black and brown dual-tone theme replaced with a custom white and blue layout. The modification has been performed by Roadster Guru, a Noida-based modification shop. The Fox wooden trim seen on the stock dashboard of the Harrier has now been replaced with a glossy blue panel. The door grab handles as well as the center tunnel lining is finished in contrasting blue, similar to the upper half of the dashboard. Now speaking about the exterior, the modifier has equipped the Harrier with front and rear skid plates that feature white elements, similar to the original paint scheme of the SUV. No change has been made to the car's performance whatsoever. With that being said, the Harrier is currently offered with a sole 2.0-litre Cryotech diesel engine that belts out 170 PS of maximum power and 350 Nm of peak torque.